In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a custom domain in Netlify. So I'll show you both how to do it with the DNS records as well as with the name servers. The name servers is easiest, but some people may prefer to keep the name servers to the place they bought their domain and just change DNS records. So I'll show you how to do both in this video. First, go and open up Netlify and go to domains in the left menu. From there, just click add or register domain and click on add a domain you already own, or if you don't own one yet, the easiest thing you can do is just buy a new domain, but I already own one, so I'll click add a domain. Then here type in the domain name of basically the domain that you bought. So I bought this domain on Hostinger. Now if you bought yours on GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any of the other ones, that also works, but from there just click verify. Now from there click on add domain. And then here you have the first option, which is to add DNS records. Now again, this is not the easiest option. The easiest is to change the name servers. But first, in order to do this, and that means that you can keep the name servers the same. To do this, just click add new record. Now first add an A record type. And then here you can see what you need to add. So A, and then add a root, and then point it to the Netlify IPv4. So for the value, just add that right there. And then click save. And then you're going to add a new record, and for this one create a CNAME, so record type CNAME, then www for the name, and then for the points to, you want it to be your website on Netlify, so replace your site name.netlify.app with your actual Netlify site URL, which is the standard URL you get for free. So just enter that right here, which for me, for example, would be dannystutorials.netlify.app, and then click save. Now what you need to do is go to your domain registrar, which for me again is Hostinger, but it can also be GoDaddy or one of the other ones. Then go to your domains and just go to manage, then go to DNS and name servers, and then just add these same DNS records. So one A record with a root, and then points to, simply gonna take the same thing again, points to that, and then add the record. And then here for the CNAME, it points to your URL, so this is different for you, but just add a CNAME as well with the name www that points to your Netlify URL, and then click add record. And after matching them both up, you can then click on continue. And then here you can click done, because then you have already added the DNS records. But again, this is not the simplest way. If you just want the simplest way, then you can skip that step. And then you can just go to activate Netlify DNS. And then you can see you have these name servers right here. So just copy the first one, since the rest is the same except for the number right there. So it's 2, 3, 4. And then on Hostinger, for example, it's in the same place. So just go to the name servers in your domain registrar and click change name servers. Click change name servers again. And then just add the same name servers that Netlify gave you, which may be different in the future, but right now it is usually this. So go and enter the name servers, then click save. And now click close, and then go back to Netlify, click done, and now you will have added this custom domain to Netlify. As you can see, it's now here in my domains. The DNS records are still here, and then also the name servers. So now you know how to add a custom domain in Netlify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.